Now here's my Eliza on the ground with boogies. Well, if they're fakes, you won't be hatching any. So I don't know why you're on the ground, love. You and Isaac, you should be up on the top, but guess what? It's going to be the end for you down here because I'm going to bring you up the top again. I can't have that for you, darlings. I want you all up the top again. You won't be quite as well off with room, but you'll be better off in other ways. So for some reason, I don't know why you're going on the ground when you've got all the space up the top. Anyhow, darling, I love you, darling. I love you, darling. You're my giants. You are my giants. You are my giants. Hello, precious Eliza. Precious, precious Eliza, precious. Hello, very precious. Very precious, precious love. Very good, very good. Where's your nice husband? Your husband's a bit crotchety. Your husband, Isaac. There you go, darling. There you go, you've got all this space all around, up and around, and you're on the ground. Funny birds. Very, very funny. And your mummy and daddy were the same too. Oh, darling. Hello, precious. Hello, precious Eliza. Hello, my Eliza. Well, consider this to be your last because you will be going up the top. I know, precious. I know, precious. I know. Mummy's bird. Mummy's bird. Mummy's bird. Don't get carried away, don't. Mummy's bird. 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 Oh, here he comes. Here's your Isaac. Here's your husband, Isaac. Here's your husband, Isaac. Here's your husband, Isaac, coming along to rescue the situation. Hello, Isaac. Hello, my beautiful Isaac. Look at you on the ground. You're a ground dweller. You're not chooks. You're not chooks. Hello, you big cooer, Isaac. There you are, that's your wife. There's your wife, Eliza. You're going to take your turn, love. You're going to take your turn, Isaac. Is it changeover time? Changing of the guard? What are you pair doing? I'll get you breakfast in a minute. All right. There you are. There, Isaac. You silly boy. Silly, silly boy. I do not know what you are doing on the ground. There you are. I'll get your breakfast in a minute, love. All right. Let me get your breakfast. Okay. All right, darling. All right. Bye now.